Hi, and welcome to the Python pre-recorded course. And I'm your host, Leighton Mitchell. And during this course, we're going to be learning about the fundamentals here of Python. For example, we're going to start out by just introducing Python. What is Python? We're going to go into variables and data types. We're going to go into strings, conditions, input, loops, functions, array, and then near the end there we're going to also be going into something that makes your code a little bit more visual. So we're going to go into something called Turtle, which is a class where you can kind of like draw on your screen and have stuff written and all that cool stuff. And towards the end, you're going to see me again where we're going to create about 2 to 3, I believe, 2 projects. We're going to create 2 projects to see if you were learning during that time. And then we're going to just put those fundamentals that you've learned at use or to use at the end of the project here. And we're going to create those 2 projects. I believe we're going to create a rock, paper, scissors game. And then we're also utilize that turtle class that I was just telling you about. We're going to utilize that and create a turtle racing game. But don't let the name turtle in the game kind of the name of the game turtle race kind of fool you there. Turtle is really just what the class is called, and it's just ironic we're gonna make a turtle racing game out of it. But yeah, that should be it. So what's gonna happen next here is that you're gonna hear the voice of my colleague as we're gonna go through the fundamentals of what is Python throughout that list that I just gave you, all the way down to turtle. And then after that, you're gonna see me again where I'm gonna personally coach you step by step through making 2 awesome projects: a rock paper scissors game with a fully functioning AI that could potentially win, and also the turtle racing game where it's just gonna be a random to see which turtle wins. It's going to be completely random as well. So 2 really cool programs there where the programs will actually be alive, you can say. The turtles anyone can win. There's going to be multiple colors, and in rock paper scissors game also anyone can win because it all depends on what you pick. But that's it. Hopefully that answers most of the questions that you would have. But also remember, you can do this at your own pace. It's a really inexpensive course. So I'll see you on the other side, and till then.